Good night. Steps to Sport. Consolidated company. It is very important to consolidate the company to legitimize the sport activity and Colombian goods. Register as sporter. Any company or individual that is going to sport must obtain a unique tax registry route that enables it before the end. The exporter must register with the foreign trade single window both. The export must previously acquire his digital signature in Certicamara. With this signature means it grants you a username and password to access the views if you want to know about the potential of your product in the markets international. The exporter must investigate market characteristics. Certificate of origin. Certificate of origin document required by the customs of the country of destination to accredited tariff exceptions. Determination of tariff classification. The tariff classification is a merchandise classification system. Request for goods views. The fulfillment of this requirement has to do fundamentally with the protection of human and animals' health, as it certificates the safety and healthiness of the products for use or consumption of humans and animals. Select the incoterms. Export documents. Commercial invoice. Transport document. Bill of landing are viable or letters of currency. Packing list. Approved if applicable. Certificate of origin if required. Reimbursement of foreign currency. It is necessary to previously agree with your counterpart abroad on the means of payment to use, whether it is direct spend or letters of credits, guarantees, or on standby. It is difficult to find something that can not be sold online. This best. Thank you.